Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check ledger in Zoho Books. This is essential for tracking all your financial transactions and maintaining accurate records for your business accounting. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your account to gain access to your financial data. After logging in, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Reports. This section houses all the financial reporting tools that Zoho Books offers, giving you comprehensive insights into your business finances. Within the Reports page, scroll down until you find the Accountant section. This is where you'll access more detailed financial reports designed for accounting purposes. In the Accountant section, click on General Ledger. The General Ledger is the backbone of your accounting system, showing every transaction that affects your accounts. It's crucial for reconciliation and audit trails. Once you open the General Ledger, you'll see several options to customize your report. Start by selecting the desired date range for the ledger entries you want to view. This allows you to focus on specific periods, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or a custom time frame. Next, you have the option to choose specific accounts if you want to filter by particular ledger accounts. If you leave it at default, the report will show all accounts, giving you a complete overview of your financial activity. Now click the Run Report button to generate the ledger report. Zoho Books will process your selections and display a detailed ledger showing all transactions within the selected date range. This report includes debits, credits, and running balances for each account, making it easy to track financial movements. If you need to save this information, use the Export option to download the ledger as either a PDF or Excel file. This is particularly helpful for sharing with accountants or keeping offline records. You can also use the filters or search box to narrow down or find specific entries within the ledger, which is handy when you're looking for particular transactions or account activity. Finally, if you need a physical copy, click Print to generate a hard copy of the ledger report. This is useful for meetings, filing, or compliance purposes. And there you have it, a complete view of your financial ledger in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.